The first ever 1v1 King of the Island, presented by Alta Sports. This is your knockout finals.
And to shoot.
And then basket counts and one.
And to shoot.
Capitalizing in the free throw line ever since we started.
5, 4, 3.
Yes, sir.
8 minutes and 45 to go.
And to shoot.
Another point. Plenty of time for Blanco and Singson.
Our live commentators are also on their feet right now for the finals.
Singson.
10 seconds shot clock.
That is public display of rejection. Public display.
10 seconds shot clock.
No basket.
10 seconds shot clock. 5, 4, 3. 10 seconds shot clock. 5.
Yes, for Blanco.
10 to shoot. 5, 4, 3.
Ian Blanco tries to do, and that's to tie the ball game.
You're tied at 5 in 5 minutes and 25.
Nobody's holding.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Does that count? And that's counted.
10 to shoot.
Another tie score right here. You do have at the ball game before when it's done. And yes, sir.
That's right. We can hear the crowd cheering here.
Ian Blanco takes two. Bang!
Tabuela not expected.
Making a living at the 2-point stripe is Ian Blanco. And the steal of Ian Blanco. Check ball. Just like desperation for Rubino Singson. Blanco with the basketball.
Tabuelan.
Yes, sir.
For Blanco.
That's finger roll. Finger roll for Ian Blanco.
We are now in the lead. 9.
Ian Blanco will it take another two.
10 to shoot.
30.
That's Blanco. Basket open for Ian Blanco.
10 seconds shot clock.
Ready
To go.
for our 100,000 prize at stake. And a brand new Seaside on lift. Brought to us by Alta Sports. Thank you. And that's it to break the lead.
10 seconds shot clock.
25 seconds time remaining. And Rubino Singson ties the score. 20 happy players. This is the kind of energy Alta Sports is bringing. First free throw for Rubino Singson. Yes, sir.
He makes the free throw.
Makes the first. This time it's Ian Blanco. Make some noise for Ian Blanco. Yes, sir. Again, players, you have all the time. Take time. No pressure. We still have plenty of time remaining. That's another big for